example, okay, information section selection or FAQ for customers. Okay, great.
I think that's enough for the beginning, no?
Oh. Okay, good. So good. So you are clear about what exactly you need. Maybe a login and all we will see later, but the basic website you will create it, wherein you can tell about your information about your website, and then about we can have a different category and then other information like FAQ and contact us and other details we can have it. Okay. So now we are very clear about the structure of your website. So this is what you need in your website, correct? So now the next step for this is to purchase the theme or we look for the theme, right theme. So once where we want to check the theme to upload it. So there is a site called, you can write it down, this site name, wherein I will review. This is called themeforest.net. So you can see this is the site where you can see the themes and purchase the themes. So hope you are noting down all these websites. Right?
Of course, I'm doing that.
Okay. So here, this is themeforest.net. On that you have, see here, you say WordPress. So you have different kind of categories of websites. So you can choose from these things. So let us say yours will be, if I say bookshop, it would be something called retail, right? It will be a retail. See, once we choose the retail, you have a lot of themes available. This is travel booking, WordPress, hotel, book, hotel, WooCommerce, theme, let's say medical health, dental, doctor. These are the different kind of for fitness people. So this is once you learn the website, or if you want to create a website for any of your friends or some client, you can choose the theme about the scuba diving, mental, dental health, and pet care and food delivery, medical theme. You can try book store. I just searched for bookstore theme, so that is what we are trying to do, right? So I have got many of the themes which has got bookstore theme. So which color is your favorite, Mike?
Are these themes for free?
No, these are for we have to purchase these themes. So what I am just showing you how to check for the themes. Okay, so let's say these are the themes which is available. So let us say I will say this is book lovers, some publishing house store or WordPress. So once you think, okay, fine, if you think that this might good for me, you have to just preview it. On the right hand side, you can see this preview. So I'll just click on the preview, and when you see the preview, you will know how the website looks like. So this is this is how it is, and you will have to choose the demo. So here you have demo. Demo means the layout. There are many kind of layouts which they have created. Like see here, you can see the menu on the top here, but here you don't see the menu. Menu is here on the black strip. Here there is no black strip. So it depending on your requirement, what exactly is you want, so you can choose. So let us say I will check this one. So when I click on this, and once you purchase this theme, you will get all kind of layout. You will get it in that. So you can choose from that. See here it is. So this is how it will be, like home, features, books, blog, events, about, and contact us. This is then in book lovers. So here you have a lot of option to see the discover your next book. So you can have the all the books available here, and then you can have the this is completely an e-commerce website where you can have your books sell. You choose your book, discover more categories. So the categories which you have mentioned there, no? That biography, everything, you can have this category wise. This is the product category on the left hand side. So you can just go through all the features here available here, and then decide whether you want to go with this kind of website or you have any other themes. So this is how you can preview the theme. So let's say this is one website. I will go to another theme and then see whether it. So do you like this theme, right?
Yes, I like it.
Okay. So we will keep this one, and then we will go for others also. Let's see. So we will check any other thing once also, then we will go with right. So this is bookstore. So let us preview this. So demo. Here also this is a different kind of thing. Where you are talking about the categories here only, and then it changes as per the category. And it is telling you how much is that here, and then okay. So now, see, these are the themes where you have to pay and purchase the theme. Say it says it is $48, $29, is $48, $49. Okay. So now this is once you finally done with your research and then decided on the theme, you can go and purchase and then do it. For now, for the demo purpose, I will give you a theme. Okay, I will give you a theme and we will see how to work on it.